Hello. A few cats here. Let's have some food. Some food. Hello, look at them all. Hello, look at them all. Hello, you, missus. Hello. Hello. Hello, kitties. There's a few kitties. Hello. Hello, baby. Hello, you. There's a few cats here today. Look at all these. Look. There's some food. They're sitting here. Look. Some water. Hello. Yeah, look at him. Big ginger one, look. Not fighting now. Hello. Yeah, look at him. Big ginger one, look. Not fighting now. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One over there. 8. 8 cats. 8 cats here today. There's one. He's lovely. Look at him. Hello. Say hello. They all live down there by the sea. Look at this one. Oh. Hello. Hello. Very trusting. Look. There's one. There's 2. There's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's one over there. 8. There's 8 today. Hello. Some kitties. Look. Oh, what are you doing up here on my lap? Hey, what do you want? Oh. Go on then. Down you go. Hello, kitties. Go on then. Down you go. Hello, kitties. Say hello. Come on. No fighting. Hey, no fighting, you, missus. Oh, I've got sand all over me now. Oi! No fighting, no. See the ginger temperament, look. That's what they like, the ginger cats, look. Look, see. Stop now, stop it. Stop fighting. You nice kitty, come on, don't be like that now, look. See, they like to scratch and bite, they do. As I know from my own cat. Yeah, hello, what did it matter? Oh, stop it, you. Fighting. Oh. So we go for a walk then. Yeah. There they all are, look. Oi! Stop it! See? There they go, look. There's a few there, 2 kitties.
Μπορούμε να βρούμε το τηλέφωνο την Ευτερία, μα να το ρωτήσω για τα κέι.
Hello, thanks for joining. Hi, thanks for joining. Hello everyone. Back down by the beach. We missed the sunset. There's a plane up there going up. Some more cats further down. Some more cats further down. Some more cats further down. Back down by the beach again. I just thought I'd turn the camera the other way. That's a better view. What do you think? I just thought I'd turn the camera the other way. That's a better view. What do you think? I just thought I'd turn the camera the other way. That's a better view. What do you think? Like to give us a like. And down there's some cats down here. Look at all these here. Look. One sec. You see them? They live here by the sea. Look, there's their view they got. Look at them all here. Come on, hello. Hello, kitty. Come here. Oh, there's one. Some more around here, look. Hello. Hello. We've all been fed, look. We've got some food. He's a big ginger, ain't you? You're a big boy, ain't you? Hello. Yeah, I'll take you. I'm getting fed. Yeah. Hey. Fighting. Oh, God. Hello. Are you having a wait? Are you waiting for yours? Come on. Come on then. What? Hello. Look at his face, look at his face. Hello. Hello, you, Smokey. Hi, Chris. Hello. You're still there? Sorry, I didn't see you. Paying much attention to the cats fighting. So yeah, we're here in Cyprus. It's been a lovely day today. They all live here by the sea, look. That's where they live. Plane coming in there, look. Oh yeah, thanks for joining. Hello. Hello, hello. Get your water sports here, look. Hello, thanks for joining. Back down by the beach, the Oroklini in Cyprus. Been a lovely day today. Just bear with me. Hello, thanks for joining. Hope you like the views, the sea. Hello, thanks for joining. Hope you like the views, the sea. Hello, thanks for joining. Hope you like the views, the sea.
Oi mazindus, ejam meta vecchia. Oi mazindus, ejam meta vecchia budando feman. Εγώ για τον Ιάσον που το έκανα. Και για να μην το πω το πράγμα του Γιάννη ή του αυτού.
Hello, hello.
Είπα του...
Thanks for joining. You're down by the beach again today in Oroklini Cyprus. Sun's just gone down. It's been a lovely day today. 30 degrees today. Nice. Hello, thanks for joining. Give us a like and share. Just seen a load of cats down by the back there. Back on here. There's some more here now. You see them more of an evening time than the daytime. There you are. There's a few here. See one inside there. Look. Hello. Say hello. Can you say hello? Yeah. These two always fighting. See, I'm sure it's the ginger cats always like to fight. Mine used to fight fighting as well. Wait. Oh, there's that baby one. Come say hello. Come on. He's got big ears. He's only a kitten. Waiting for food. Been fed already. They've ate it all. So they've got a water fountain in there. We get water. Come say hello. You coming? Hello. Fuzzy tail. Come say hello. Come on. Hello. Hello. Oh. Didn't like that, did he? Hello, you, mister. You can tell they're feral, can't you? See? Don't like a bit of us. Get him up there. Hello, you, mister. Sitting up there. Proud as punch. Some cats there. There's another cat. There's one there, look, getting a bit of fuss. Oh. There's another one. Look. There's some more normally down here. Look, here's one. Turn it around now, as you can see. Come say hello. See, I don't go up to them, let them come to me. I don't just go up to them because they get scared. Come say hello. See, I don't go up to them, let them come to me. I don't just go up to them because they get scared. There's a big one coming down to me now. Look. Come on then, come say hello. Come on then. See, they're all down here. In the morning time, they seem to be sleeping. So when I come down overnight, there they are. I think someone's giving some water there, but didn't put the rubbish in the bin. Come on. Hello, thanks for joining. Give us a like. Let me know you're there. Any questions? I'm in Cyprus. Hello, thanks for joining. Give us a like. Let me know you're there. Any questions? I'm in Cyprus. Hello, thanks for joining. Give us a like. Let me know you're there. Any questions? I'm in Cyprus by the sea. There's a few cats down here. Thanks for the likes, guys. Well appreciated. Hello, look at this big boy. This big cat he is. Look. He's a big boy, yeah. Hey. Oh, look at his face. Eh? Wait. Don't take any notice of me, look. Lovely colouring on him, look. Look at the colours. He's back. Lovely colouring, look. And that's the view he's got of the sea, look. Hi George, hello, thanks for joining. Hello, thanks for joining. Give us a like. There's nobody there. Oh, there's a dog there. Now, last time I came down, there was a cat here, hiding in the grass. Do you remember? If you remember, if he was on the last time. But I think it's that one that's down there. I'm not sure. Let me see. He's normally hiding here. They've cut all the grass now. See, they've cut all the grass down. I don't know where he is. Normally he's hiding under there or somewhere. He's probably off getting some food somewhere, no doubt. But look at the view, it's beautiful. They live down here by the sea, the cats do. But any ideas what this is? Look in the sea. You see that in the sea? Does anybody know what that is? Anybody tell me if you know? I've not saw that before. It's like all the way down. See? I won't be swimming in there anyway. Put it that way. See, it's like a yellowy substance. Look. I don't know what that is. Anybody know? Thanks for the likes, guys. Thanks for joining. I'm down by the beach in Cyprus. Not far from the Radisson Beach Hotel, which is there. I'm right by it actually. But see that in the sea? Look at that. It's like an oily substance. I saw that before. Never seen that before. It's all the way along. When I saw it coming down, on the way down, it was right by the side. I'll show you when I go further up. There's the Radisson Beach Hotel. Many people out tonight. A few beds there though. A few towels. Thanks for the likes, guys. That's the view of the sea again, which is a better view than the Radisson. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for joining. Hello, hello. Thanks for the likes. Thank you. Saw some cats tonight. There's normally some that bit as well. You see that gym there? You turn up there, I'll show you. Some up there. They're all on the wall up there. Can you see them on the wall? You can see them. I'll go closer. You can get a better view. See, it's not here, that yellowy stuff, but it's further up there. Weird. So, yeah, look at all these up here. There's one there, black and white, look. Thanks for joining, thanks for the likes, thanks for the shares, guys. Thank you. Look at this. This is a black and white one. There's one. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 here, 7 cats here. They've all been fed and watered, look already. So there's the food, there's the water. So they get fed well. Some of them are really feral, they don't come. Some of them run away. A bit scared, frightened. You can say hello? You gonna come and say hello? You're after them birds, aren't you? In the tree. Hey, thanks for the likes, guys. There's another one, look. The big ginger boy on the wall, look. Let's go closer, see if they like it. There's one. There's 2. What's the matter? Don't worry. Hey, no fighting. Hey, hello, kitties. How are you tonight? You all alright? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And one there, 5. Little black and white, 6. And him over there getting the birds, 7. 7 of them. This is right next to the Radisson Beach Hotel in Cyprus. Look. People come and feed them, and they got food, they got water, so that's good. I bring food and water for them sometimes as well. I haven't got any on me today, but they all got food in the bowl. Oh. Hello, kitty. So, thanks for the likes, guys. Thanks for the shares as well. Hope you liked the live. It's getting dark now. Sun's gone down. Look, there's that substance, look, in the water, look. Yeah, look. See it here, look. See it. Look. What is that? Anybody know what that is in the water? I don't know. Never saw it before. Oh. See that in the water? Like an oily substance. Goes all the way along. Look. Something they're putting to get rid of the jellyfish. Don't know. I don't know what it is. I've never saw it before anyway. Thanks for coming. Thanks for the likes, guys. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for everyone who's watching. Hope you like it. So I saw a few cats today. I'll come back probably tomorrow and have another walk. Better of an evening than the daytime. It's really hot in the day. 30 degrees today. But like I say, you can have a walk down here and there's a restaurants and bars all the way along. You can have a drink and just stop off and have a little rest. You don't have to walk the whole way. If you look really in the distance, if I can just zoom it in, that's the Lourdes Beach Hotel down there, right down there, and the other, there's three of them together. 3 hotels. One of them's Lourdes Beach Hotel. Then you've got, you can always swim here as well. They've got the stairs, look, to go into here, but they've got that substance in the water. I don't know what it is. I wouldn't go in there now until that's gone. And here you can have a meal. It's supposed to be a fish restaurant. It's supposed to be really good. I've not eaten here, but yeah, it's supposed to be really nice. Good food. Look at here, look. Hello. Hello. Hello, kitty. Come on. Another cat there getting some free fish at the restaurant. Any scraps they can, really. But they're fed anyway, they're fed well. They get plenty of food. We come down with bags of food. I buy bags of food. I bought another bag today from Lidl. Although I had a bag, I bought another bag today. Look at all that in the sea. Look at that. What the hell is that? Anybody know what that is? Or saw it before? Should it be there even? I don't know. I've never saw that before. Look at that. I'll put it this way, I wouldn't be swimming in that. No. Look. And he got run down by a scooter. So yeah, we're still out walking down towards Lee Bay Hotel. Thanks for joining. Hello everyone. We're out in Cyprus, looking at the views, the cats, sea view, the beach bars, having a look what's open today. And pretty much all opening up now. Apart from the one coffee shop at the end, they've knocked that down and they're rebuilding it. Which I didn't get that because I'm past it now. These houses are nice here, look. Nice houses, you get a nice view there, look, got the sea view. Thanks for the likes, guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate you stopping by and having a look and having a watch. Hope you like it. Not sure when I'm going to video tomorrow. I might go somewhere else. Might do the Salt Lake tomorrow if I get there early enough. Might be a few flamingos on the Salt Lake. Normally are. This place is open. Drinks of an evening, food of a day, breakfast. if you wanted it. Hiya, thanks for joining. Any questions? Anything you want to know? I'm in Cyprus. Keep putting my glasses on to see. Hello, hi. For joining. Thanks for joining. A few boats out there, look. A few little boats, see? Out in the distance. Yeah. There's no cats up this end, I've never seen any up this end at all. Only that last one where the restaurant is, there's normally one there. Or a couple, there's 2 or 3 normally. Only saw the one tonight. But look at the sunset over there. It's gone now, the sunset, but the sky, look at the sky. Thanks for joining. Hope you like it. Is this getting darker? Just about to see. Just about to see the screen. Thanks for joining. That's where I've just come from. That walk all the way along there. Walking along. Hello, thanks for joining. Hope you like the live. If you can see in the distance all the way over there, that's the other Radisson, that's the Radisson Blue there in the distance. You can all see that from here, smiles. But that's the Lee Bay Hotel up there. This is a bridge that I'm walking across now. See? Off the bridge. Somebody doing exercises. Hiya, thanks for joining. Give us a like, let me know you're there. That's the road. Parking, there's parking all there. You can park all the way along here. Drive in and park. And further up there's parking. There's always somewhere to park. You don't have to pay for parking, it's all free. Unless you go in the hotels. I don't even think the hotels would charge you for parking. I've parked in Lee Bay before and come down here for a walk. Lee Bay Hotel. As you can see. It's not busy at all, hardly anyone tonight. Planes coming in. Hello. Thanks for the follow, guys. You followed me, thank you. Thanks for the likes as well. Hope you like my little adventure down today. We're in Oroklini in Cyprus. It's getting dark now. There's the car park and gym just beyond that hut there, that canopy bit there. There's a car park just behind there. And it's all free parking. So if you come to Cyprus and you think, oh, where am I going to park? You know, there's a big car park there, just next to the Lee Bay Hotel. And there's parking all the way along, really. You can get parking. I'll probably go right up to the Lee Bay so you can have a look. There's a bat there, see? If you've seen it, there's a bat. First time I came here, when I first come to Cyprus, I used to see all the bats flying around the trees. I used to think, and it was after the moths. I hope he's not a bitey dog. No, he's alright. What was his owner? Anyway, so there's another gym you can use. There's the parking. There's the car park, and this is the gym. All free as well. The gym is. You can come down and do a workout. See? This is a free gym. You can come down, park there. Look, all the cars are parked there, look. And then you can come over and walk down the walk. And there's the gym you can use for free. And there's some of the guys pick that tyre up and roll it around. I don't see the fun in that really, but I've never tried that. I wouldn't say it's a light tyre to pick up, would you? That'd be strong probably. And you can come and sit here. There's a big bench. There's the parking, I said, off the road, and you've got a big bench to sit, take in the views, the beach and everything. That's the Lee Bay Hotel right next door. Starting to get people in it now. Holiday makers are coming. Lovely pool, beach bar, what should I say, outside bar. So it's a beach bar really. Pool bar maybe. Yeah. That's the Lee Bay Hotel. Yeah. And there's that dog up here. What's he doing up here? See? I mean, you can carry on walking from here, but the path ends at Lee Bay Hotel. There's this pathway here will end, and you've all got sand or stones or uneven ground, but you still do the walk. This is a nice hotel. Good value as well. And you've got that view from your windows if you have a sea view. I recommend the sea view. Nice big tree there, look. I don't see any cats up here. Got your volleyball pitch they've just put in, I think. Never saw that before. If you remember, it used to go round into a point and they got rid of it and made it flat. You know where that hut is there? It used to go round into like a funny point, but they got rid of all that. See? So there we are. There's a bat there. See him? Look.